यस पीपल, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। कैसे हैं सब लोग? होप सो आप सब लोग बहुत बढ़िया रहेंगे। मैं बता दूं, मैं भी बहुत अच्छा हूँ। सीए फाइनल का रिजल्ट आया 2 दिन पहले और ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 इन द ओल्ड सिलेबस जिनको मिला है उनका नाम है रूथ डिसिल्वा। रूथ इज फ्रॉम मैंगलोर और सीए फाइनल में ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 लाया है। सबसे पहले रूथ, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू यू।
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so just how was your last 3 days? What changed in last 3 days?
Sir, I didn't realize it's been 3 days because that excitement from the results, from checking the results is still there. And the news that I got the rank is still, like, I'm still digesting that news. It feels
Okay.
very nice. When I came to know I passed only, I was very happy. In 10-15 minutes, my sister called me and said, "What is this rank number 1? It's showing here." Then I didn't believe her. I asked her to check again.
Mm.
And then I was even more happy. Tears started coming from my eyes. It was a very nice moment. Still accepting it.
Yeah, exactly. So Ruth, how was your articleship and how was your last like 6 month preparation? Because you know that last 2 years is exactly like everything has changed in this world due to the COVID and all. And this exam, July exam, there was like huge uncertainty. Like exam will be in the month of May, June, July. So how you manage your study in the last 6 months as well as your articleship experience?
Okay. So I did 1 year of articleship in EY Bangalore, and I happened
Okay.
to do it in the tax department.
Oh.
So that was very nice. I got a lot of international taxation exposure, and but unfortunately, I had to come back to my hometown.
Okay.
Um, so, so I spent the next 2 years in a mid-sized firm in Mangalore when I got more audit experience. But I'm happy because I got, some in-depth tax little bit, and then I got audit also. So that combination helped me for finals.
Okay.
Um, and so my last 6 months, like you said, sir, the COVID, due to the COVID, I had a lot of break in my coaching. So I had actually moved to Bangalore to take coaching, and that time, COVID, it was the COVID time, so everything stopped. Then I had to break from the classes. Luckily, tax classes were online. Few classes, it was like a little here and there. Um, yeah, so but then the last 6 months, I made up my mind, I'll just sit at home and study. So preparation wise, I tried to keep a lot of focus. During the second wave, I couldn't study. I was waiting for the notification to come. I tried my best. I was like, every day I was reading. But then I think towards the end, when it was July, when the exam was in July, there was a little uncertainty that time also, right? But I said no, stay inside, be safe, and also study. So that was my approach.
Yeah. So in the, you know that many time like first we plan something like, okay, we have to complete this subject in 5 days and 6 days, but many time it's like, you know, that we like that is fail. Obviously, many time it's fail. So many time we feel demotivated and all. So how you motivate yourself during that particular time?
So when I don't meet my schedule,
Hmm.
actually some people say that you have to complete, even like extend your this thing. But what I did was I would make it a point to stick to the schedule. So if I couldn't complete, I would actually leave that little bit and go stick to the schedule and study the next thing that I wrote and try to finish that early so I can cover what I missed because of the schedule going here and there. So like that,
Exactly.
so I was very strict with myself in terms of schedule.
Okay. Just I heard that you
But I
score
did
very
fail. It did happen. No,
okay.
it did happen that I couldn't meet it, but somehow like covering more important and like that I managed.
Okay. In DT, you scored the very good marks. So what was your plan in DT? How you like studied DT and all? So you can guide to a student.
Okay, so DT, I took classes from you, sir. So I referred. I started off with the books,
Main
the
modules.
classes. Yeah, the
Yeah,
main
main
modules,
module.
read the Bear Act from the main modules. After I did that 2 times, and then I started with the compact. Then I started with the compact. Along with that, the question bank. So
Compiler.
one chapter here, and then one question bank. Question bank I must have done 3 times. Compact, I did it a lot of times actually. I'm losing count. because the comparison before the exam day, that I think that book is very like, you know, try to know everything from that book. It will really help you
Exactly.
during the exam. But additionally from that, what I did was some like questions that from the ICI material,
Mod material.
just scan, because you know that
Yeah.
that same font
Yeah.
format
Yeah.
and all that, just to be familiar when writing exam how the questions come. RTP
Exactly.
and the ICI questions, practice questions for practice I did. So this was my entire DT preparation.
Right. So Ruth, what is your future plan? I was today just I was reading your interview in the Indian Express, and you mentioned about the UPSC and all. So what's your future plan?
So I mean, I have told Indian Express also that I would like to go for employment for maybe 1 or 2 years and consider giving UPSC also somewhere in the near future. So let's see how it
Okay,
works.
that's good. That's good. Any advice you want to give to the future student, like appearing for the November 2021 and May 2022 student?
I would say have your schedule and your uh, what books you have to cover ready.
Mm,
Once you have that, like I think 25% of your worry is solved. So keep your the preparation timetable and your books ready, and then just follow it. Be dedicated and follow. It should be okay.
okay, so every day, how many hours study you used to do? Because many people say that ranker like need to study for the 18 to 20 hours. Is it like that?
18 to 10. No, I mean, I used to study, maybe max was 12, but average 8 to 10 effectively. Effective
Effectively.
8 to 10. One thing I would like to say is I would prioritize sleep, as in not compromise sleep.
Okay.
So, you know, if my sleep was proper, then the studies also went well. So that one thing I kept in mind.
So how about social media, Facebook, Instagram, and all in the last 6 months?
The last, no, I deleted WhatsApp also. I deleted everything.
You deleted WhatsApp also.
Deleted WhatsApp. Only Telegram I kept, and that too in Telegram, I had those, you know, those CA related channels. Very
Uh,
few friends are on Telegram. So last,
mm,
I had to sacrifice a lot. Uh,
that's good. That's good. So Ruth, nice to talk to you, and best of luck for your future. I know that you have one more interview after this session, so that's why I'm keeping it short. So thanks a lot, Ruth, and best of luck for your future. Whenever you visit Mumbai, just let me know. We will meet and we will celebrate it. We will party hard. And whenever I will visit Mangalore, then that time I will
yeah,
meet you again.
definitely. So you have to.
Yes,
Thank
yes, I
you.
will visit at your home and I will meet your parents. Thank you. Thanks a
Thank
lot,
you.
Ruth.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.